Hi guys, thank you for coming back to my channel. If you haven't done so yet, please subscribe. It is easy. Also hit the notification bell so you do not miss any of my new videos. Today I will be sharing with you a traditional dish from Cameroon called Pilé de Pommes de terre, which is pounded potatoes and beans. The recipe will serve 8 people. For this you will need potatoes, beans of your choice. I'm showing you the black beans, but I'm going to be using red beans with this meal. 2 bags of those. Palm oil, one big onion. We're gonna use this. We're gonna cut half and use it to boil the potatoes, and then the other half to fry into the palm oil around the end. Salt, of course, to your taste. Rock salt to boil the beans. Hot pepper if you do eat hot pepper. Let's get cooking.